My name's Andre. I am originally from Illinois. Met Mike Guerra, who brought me on down in Houston, and now I am in Raleigh, North Carolina, killing it. Before I was with the Alliance, I was working with Goosehead Insurance. It's a property and casualty focused insurance company. Always had my life license, but wasn't really using it while I was there. When he said, oh, well, I mean, the average person's buying this many leads, spending this much, and if you do this, you're making this much. And I was like, it just my kind of personality was like, okay, he's kind of laying it out. For me, one of the big things was I hated being in there for so long. I'm not the kind of person, I don't need somebody to tell me or like baby me on what I need to do. The freedom's gonna be big, and then the income opportunity, obviously. Here, the ability to grow and grow fast, build a team, that's huge. It was hitting the ground running. I'm not the kind of person where you gotta explain everything to me, you know, in depth, in detail. Like, kind of just give me the gist of it. I'll call and ask questions if I have them. But I need to just feel it. I need to do it, learn by experience. I think there's a lot of thoughtful people in the room. You know, a lot of people that really want to help others. For the new people, you know, since I'm still within my first year, just hit it hard. Don't try to learn everything and get every little detail, because you're gonna get out there and you're gonna make mistakes. You're gonna not know what you're doing and you're fall on your face, but just, you know, ask questions, talk to your upline, and you know, it'll all work out.